In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a column in monday.com, whether you're cleaning up your workspace or simply reorganizing your board to better suit your needs. Removing unnecessary columns can help streamline your interface and improve navigation. So, let's dive right in and simplify your board by tackling this quick task together. First, you'll want to navigate to the board where you want to make these changes. Open your monday.com account and find the particular board that contains the column you wish to delete. This could be a board dedicated to tracking projects, managing team tasks, or any other kind of workflow you're working with. Once you've located the correct board, go ahead and click on it to open and view it in full detail. If you're managing multiple boards, taking a moment to ensure you're working in the right one can save a lot of hassle later on. Now that you're inside the board, the next step is to locate the specific column you want to delete. Each column in monday.com serves its unique purpose, from tracking work progress to noting project details. So, confirming that you're selecting the right column is key. Once you've found it, you'll notice 3 vertical dots, commonly known as the More Options menu, at the top right corner of the column header. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu where you'll find several options for editing your column. With the menu open, look for the option labeled Delete. This selection is usually positioned among several other options designed to help you customize and organize your board more effectively. It's important to note that deleting a column is a permanent action, so double check that you're in the right column before proceeding. If you've confirmed your choice, go ahead and click on Delete. This action prompts monday.com to remove the column from your board, freeing up space and decluttering your view. After you've clicked Delete, monday.com will typically ask for a final confirmation. This safeguard is in place to ensure that users don't accidentally remove columns containing valuable data. Review the information on your screen, making sure that this is the action you truly want to complete. If everything looks good, go ahead and confirm your decision by clicking Delete once more. And that's it. You've successfully removed the unwanted column from your board. By following these steps, you can keep your monday.com workspace both organized and efficient. Regularly reviewing and deleting unused columns ensures that your board remains a dynamic tool that reflects your current workflows and priorities. Thanks for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on optimizing your monday.com experience.